Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Nicola. Hi, hey, wagwan. Alright, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe and join the family. If you're a returning member, thank you for coming back. Me love you. Thanks for always coming back. Alright, so today I was just going to wash my hair, but I'm going to be doing a clarifying slash moisturizing wash. Hence, I'm going to be using aloe vera and lemon. Yes, I said lemon in my shampoo. Yeah, in my shampooing process to kind of get my hair really clean and everything, because it's a bit oily now. And the benefits of lemon is that it has a lot of clarifying properties. I'll leave them right here. And aloe vera, as you know, has a lot of moisturizing properties, which I can also leave right here again. Alright, cool. So I'm going to be doing all of this outdoors, shampooing, rinsing, everything. So you'll be seeing what it's like for me when I decide to wash my hair outdoors, when I'm in my country home, my rural Manchester home. So I'm going to be pulling water from the tank and, you know, just outside, just real country girl kind of vibes. I could do this inside, but I thought it'd be interesting for you to see me outside. So let's get to that. Alright guys, here's my bowl of aloe vera. I was gonna say avocado. Aloe vera. I already cut out some of them, but in case you're new and don't know how I peel my aloe vera, this is how I do it sometimes. So I left one piece. I'm just going to remove the skin off one part. And then I just scrape the gel off the other side. I'm trying not to get any of the peel in it because I'm not trying to add any extra dirt or anything to my hair. Okay, this is a piece. Alright, so there it is. I'm going to add some lemon to this now, and I'm going to throw them both in the blender and get started. I had 2 lemons rather, and I already put one in there, so I'm just showing you how I add this one. They're about this size, quite big. Of course, you're going to remove the seed once you squeeze it in there, but let me just do that. It's so juicy. Alright, see all those seeds? I'm going to remove them before I add this to the blender. And then once I blend them both, I'm going to strain it, just so I don't have any residue to deal with. Alright, so I got my hair in 4 because I'm going to be wetting it up in small sections to make sure each part is saturated before I apply the shampoo with the aloe vera and the lemon. I'm by the tank now. Again, I could do this inside where there's running water, but let's make it interesting. So I'm going to be pulling water from the tank using this jug right here. Usually I can do this much quicker, but okay, there we go. Alright, so that's a full jug right there. So my dogs have joined me, my company, and my lovely backup singers, they have joined me, so you'll hear them now and again. So I'm just going to dump this on my head. Cool. And then I'll take out the scrunchies and make sure each part is properly wet. So at first, let's dump it on our head just by the tank side, just like that. Alright, and that hardly got anywhere. So one at a time. So I'm wearing sunscreen, you guys, and it's getting all in my eyes because of the water. Alright, now we're going to go to the application process. I could not see properly by the tank, but I already showed you how to pull the water and to throw it in my head. So I am by this part of the house where you can see much better and I can see better too. Instead of having the tank for the water, I have a bucket here with water that I'm going to be using because I'm sticking to this outside country theme. Cool? Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's blended. Blended and strained. The line of products I'm using today are Zimii Moisture Rich. I need to give you a review on this, guys, because yeah, I won't say. I'll leave that for the review. So I've been using it for a while. This is maybe my 4th time washing with it. So I'm just going to be adding my shampoo to the mixture.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie.
Alright, so because I want this to really penetrate my scalp and everything, I'll be adding this first and then the shampoo. So let's get one section down first. I'm going to be soaking wet. It's a good thing I'm going to be taking a shower after this. And I'm going to pour very lightly so as not to get it into my eyes and everything. Pour it more for your scalp. Yeah, okay. This is the first time I'm using aloe vera and smelling it so strong. Like, it doesn't stand out when you use it with avocado or when you use it with egg, but with lemon it really comes up. Alright, that section. The disclaimer here, guys, is to definitely not let it get into your eyes. It will burn you. Burn you right through. Alright, so shampoo time. Oh, am I wasting my shampoo? Oh, and if it gets into your mouth, the good thing is it won't be that bitter because of the lemon. Yeah, it's like I'm taking a detox right now. Well, shampooing my hair. So I'm detoxing both my body and my scalp. How nice. But I must say this feels super lightweight. The aloe vera feels just like water. And it's actually kind of tingly in my scalp. It's not burning my scalp. My scalp doesn't feel irritated in any way. It's tingly but not irritating or anything. Alright guys, so I can't see you right now. So I'm just going to finish with my hair and then I'll be able to see you again. That's one wash down. Of course, we have to shampoo again and just wash as normally as you would. I'm about to drown, so I wish I could stop talking right now. So so yeah, I'll catch you back on the flip side. My hair is washed, detangled, and my scalp is giving me life. So you want to know how this clarifying mix added to your shampoo works? 100%, 10 out of 10. Yes, man, I telling you, like 5 times 2, that's a 10.
5 times 2, that's a 10, 10, 10.
Yes, girl. It feels really good. Like, I knew the lemon would really deep cleanse my scalp, but I didn't expect my hair to feel this light and this good. You know, after deep conditioning and all that, how many weeks on top of weeks, and just adding, you know, moisture and everything, my scalp felt a bit heavy, my hair felt a bit heavy and oily, but now it feels really light and nice. So if you know that you have deep conditioned 2 months behind each other, try a clarifying shampoo somewhere down the line, because this will help in case you have any product buildup that you can't see, or you just need to let the pores on your scalp breathe. Yes, let them breathe. And this is the perfect mixture to add to your shampoo to get a clarifying, deep cleansing wash. Cool. Alright, so I think that's it now. The sun is kind of burning me and all the sunscreen's gone from my face. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Walk good, live, love, laugh, and spread good vibes. Peace. Mwah. Oh, watch these 2 videos. Bye.